Let's explore 21 of the world's most iconic landmarks. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. This is the Eiffel Tower. It was built in 1889 and it's in France. Pyramids of Giza. Pyramids of Giza. Pyramids of Giza. These are the pyramids of Giza. They were built around 2560 BC and they are in Egypt. Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. This is the Great Wall of China. It was built starting in the 7th century BC and it's in China. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat. This is Angkor Wat. It was built in the 12th century and it's in Cambodia. Colosseum. 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 This is the Colosseum. It was built in 80 AD and it's in Rome. Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore. This is Mount Rushmore. It was finished in 1941 and it's in the United States of America. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It was built in 1372 and it's in Italy. Sydney Harbour. Sydney Harbour. Sydney Harbour. This is Sydney Harbour. It became famous in the 20th century and it's in Australia. Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. This is the Golden Gate Bridge. It was built in 1937 and it's in the United States of America. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. This is Buckingham Palace. It was built in 1703 and it's in England. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. This is the Taj Mahal. It was built in 1643 and it's in India. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. This is the Statue of Liberty. It was built in 1886 and it's in the United States of America. Blue Dome Church. Blue Dome Church. Blue Dome Church. This is the Blue Dome Church. It was built in the 19th century and it's in Greece. Great Buddha. Great Buddha. Great Buddha. This is the Great Buddha. It was built in 1252 and it's in Japan. St. Basils Cathedral. St. Basils Cathedral. St. Basils Cathedral. This is St. Basils Cathedral. It was built in 1561 and it's in Russia. Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab. This is the Burj Al Arab. It was built in 1999 and it's in Dubai. Big Ben, Big Ben, Big Ben. This is Big Ben. It was completed in 1859 and it's in London. Easter Island statues. Easter Island statues. Easter Island statues. These are the Easter Island statues. They were carved between 1250 and 1500 and they are in Chile. Capitol Hill. Capitol Hill, Capitol Hill. This is Capitol Hill. It was built in 1800 and it's in the United States of America. Tower Bridge, Tower Bridge, Tower Bridge. This is Tower Bridge. It was built in 1894 and it's in England. Empire State Building, Empire State Building, Empire State Building. This is the Empire State Building. It was built in 1931 and it's in the United States of America.